YouTube? It's your guy once again, Mr. Like God himself from L.G. Edutainment. Let me scoot this chair back a little bit so I can get up in this camera with y'all. Mr. Like God himself from L.G. Edutainment. You can call me LG. I got a good one for y'all today. Trust me. What do you know about Chevy, bow tie, do-it-yourself hack, cost you less than a couple of bucks on some real game, and it's going to take your ride to the next level. Super easy. I'm finna show you. Just stay tuned. Check it out. Once again, like I said, I'm finna show you how you gonna do this, baby. Check this out. You ain't gonna believe it. Maybe I be on that medication too much, but I came up with this one. But it's real easy, y'all. Check it out. Get you a pencil, piece of paper. Now I'm gonna show you actually, when I say piece of paper, I mean a piece of paper, as you see, just some little brochure, little thing, pamphlet, flyer, okay? And this is the crazy part. Your tape. I don't know if y'all realize I paid less than $1 for this tape from, I believe it was the L.Y.T.E. Less than $1. No, I'm lying actually, because shit done went up, right? Let's best be real. But I tell you what I did do. I paid $1 something for this tape. X-Acto knife. Got a whole pack of these. L.Y.T.E. Less than a couple of bucks. Got like maybe 4 in a pack, maybe 6. I can't even remember. I'm gonna be honest with you. Could be 3. Who knows? I might be lying. Like I said, your pencil, your piece of paper. You take your piece of paper, y'all, blank. Well, I mean, we all should know that so you can see where your outline is going to be. Take your blank piece of paper, put it up next to your car, your vehicle, any kind of emblem you want to make look better. Place your paper on your emblem. Trace around. Make you a really good sketch. And try to actually feel the grooves in the outside of that emblem, everybody. Real simple. Make your light little sketch. Go back over it. You can look at it. And you can make it look better. I took that part. This is the trick. You all might find something a whole lot easier to make this outline onto that tape. For me, it took me a little bit. I had to hold it in place and yada, yada, yada. And please do not cut your fingers. Please do not cut your fingers, okay? Anyway, so I traced that outline onto that paper, like I said. Distraction, everybody. When business calls, you gotta take care of your business. You know what I mean? I'm reading messages as it's going along as I'm doing this video. So sorry for the interruptions, everybody. But you know, $1 at a time. We all trying to get that road to millions, baby. King life. Holla at your boy. But anyway, take your paper once again. Trace that outline on there. Bring it back in your house, outside. Do whatever you feel comfortable. Once again, put the tape or your outline over the tape. Cut your outline out around the tape. You're going to have you a decal now. So now you take that, go wrap that over your pre-existing, maybe damage, water damage, discoloration, could have cracks, could have, you know, any kind of damage that could be in your to your pre-existing decal already, or emblem, or however you want to call it. So you place that over there. Now, if you want to get a little technical, that's why I said use your X-Acto knife. You can definitely make it a little bit easier once you get that tape placed over the emblem. You can go around it very gently because you don't want to slip and scratch your car, your paint. You definitely don't want to mess your emblem up, or, you know what I mean, any crazy thing. So just take your time, folks, and be easy. This is a quick project, but I tell you what, I'll be right back once again. Sorry, folks. Hey, YouTube, so it's your guy once again, and I want to show you all the finished product and how that's going to come out to look. I don't know if you can actually see that reflection off of there. It looks a lot better with the sunlight out here. But once you really come on it, I got one on the front and on the back. Check that out, baby. Chevy bow tie emblem. Do it yourself, life hack, easy, done for a couple of bucks. You can get it done. I showed you how to do it. Love y'all. Peace.
Are you in there, YouTube? Can you hear me? Hit that like button. Hit the notification button. Hit that like button. Share, subscribe. Hit that like button. Share, subscribe. Hit that like button. Share, subscribe.